Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Chevrolet Camaro. First, let's begin with the fundamental shape. Draw a long, flat rectangle for the car's base. Then, add a gently curved line above it to represent the roofline. Next, sketch two smaller rectangles at each end for the front and rear sections. Finally, connect these basic shapes to form the main body outline. Now, let's refine the body lines to give our Camaro its iconic look. Smooth out the initial outline, adding more defined curves to the hood and trunk. Sketch the side panels, paying attention to the subtle contours. Don't forget to lightly draw the door outlines. This step helps establish the car's powerful and sleek profile. Next, we'll add the wheels and windows, bringing more life to our drawing. Draw 4 distinct circles for the wheels, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Inside each, add a smaller circle for the wheel hubs. Then, sketch the windshield and side windows, making sure they follow the roof's curve. These details are crucial for a realistic appearance. For our final slide, let's add the finishing touches to complete your Camaro drawing. Carefully sketch the headlights, taillights, and the distinctive front grille. Include the side mirrors and door handles for added realism. Finally, apply some light shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. Erase any remaining guidelines for a clean, polished look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.